Welcome to my channel. Why buying a used engine in 2025 makes more sense than ever. 1. Cost-effective option. A used engine is much cheaper than buying a brand new one, helping you save thousands. 2. High-quality availability. In 2025, more certified used engines are available with proper testing and inspection. 3. Eco-friendly choice. Reusing engines reduces manufacturing waste and supports a greener environment. 4. Quick replacement. Used engines are readily available, cutting down your vehicle downtime. 5. OEM original quality. Most used engines come from original manufacturer vehicles, no cheap replicas. 6. Better warranty options. Many sellers now offer 6 to 12 months warranty on used engines in 2025. 7. Improved testing technology. Modern diagnostic tools ensure you get a strong and reliable used engine. 8. Greater compatibility. Wide stock availability ensures easy matching with your exact car model. 9. Proven performance. A used engine has a history. If it ran well before, it can run well again. 10. Smart investment. Buying used extends your car's life without the heavy cost of full replacement or a new car. Thanks for watching.